This looks so cute for an event. Going for brunch with the girls. Humans, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today is another style video. I'll be showing you how to style shirt. If you haven't watched my previous video of how to tuck in your long t-shirt, I will leave it will pop up. You can watch it after watching this video. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to style this shirt. It's a satin silk kind of shirt. It's a button down and it has not a full, it's a quarter button down. It has two buttons at the front, and then it has a collar of an official kind of shirt, but I'm going to show you how you can dress it up and down. In this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for everyone who has commented and subscribed so far. Welcome to the family. And yeah, so let's get the video. This is the first way I will style it. I've done a French tuck at the front and left it to Nini at the back, and put on a puffer jacket. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Especially for the cold. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's so cute and it's so warm. More of a casual outfit. And yeah, next look is in a kind of collar, and then I'm gonna put with this black jeans with my booties. For this I'm going for a more chic kind of look, maybe an office kind of look for Friday, maybe because of the distressed jeans. This is how it turned out, looking cute. Shirt with my denim yellow shade of yellow skirt. I really like how this turned out. You wear this cream jacket. You can turn it with whatever kind of jacket, but I prefer, since I'm already bright, I want to make it a little subtle with this kind of cream coat.
Very simple. Plus, since it's a skirt, and then I make the height of the jacket and the skirt not too far or not too close together, and you look cute.
I have earrings. I've forgotten to mention earrings. Just some tiny heart earrings. All of them are from Beauty Galore. I'm gonna leave a link below. All my earrings are from them. I tie a knot at the front and just let it hang a bit, because this is a high-waisted, so it doesn't look off. And this skater skirt, I love this skater skirt. This looks so cute for an event. I'm going for brunch with the girls. Looking cute.
Black 1-inch heels.
Oh my god, how cute is this? This is really nice. And then the same hoop earrings. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the looks that I put together. As always, usually style your shirts in the comments down below. Let's help each other out. And yeah, if you like this kind of videos, thumbs up. As always, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in the next video. God bless. Keep staying safe. Bye bye.